Hi everybody, this is John Lauchenko. For today, we'll be working on my exercise 1 for programming to advanced Java. So for the instruction, it says here that I should create an algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart to check positive or negative number. So this is just a recall of what we have discussed for our first module. I also have here the rubrics as basis, all right, to complete the activity. So let's now proceed with my output. I have it on a Word document. So here, okay, so let's start with algorithm. It's a procedure for solving mathematical problem in a finite number of steps that frequently involves repetition of an operation. Per Merriam, it is a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem and accomplishing some end. So for example, step 1, it says here that somebody or we should input a number of our desire. So step 2, if a number is less than 0, then it is a negative integer. Else, if number is greater than 0, then it is a positive integer. Step 4, else the number is equal to 0. And then the last part is to end. All right, so that's for algorithm. Let's proceed with pseudocode. Pseudocode is a notation resembling a programming language, but not intended for actual compilation. It usually combines some of the structure of a programming language with an informal natural language description of the computations to be carried out. It is often produced by case system as a basis for latter handling coding. So I have it. It's like actually a coding, but it's not really for compilation yet. So this is an example. So to start, I made use of the word start, and then second line says read z. That's gonna be my value. So if z is greater than 0, then the system would print the word positive. Else, if it's less than 0, then the system would print negative. And then if it's not if it's neither of the two, then the system will print the word 0, and then then the last part will be the word stop. So that's for pseudocode. Let's now proceed with the third one. This is the flowchart. I think everybody's familiar with this. So a flowchart is a diagram that shows step-by-step progression through a procedure or a system, specially connecting or using connecting lines and a set of conventional symbols. So same idea, but this one is on a flowchart view. So I made use of the following shapes or symbols. So to start, I made use of an oval that says start. And then the second step is to give or declare a value. So I made use of the symbol or the shape rhombus. So it says here that this part will read an integer. So the value is, or so the value is equal to z as of the moment. So the decision part is if z is greater than 0, if it's yes, then the system would print positive. If the z is not greater than 0, then it will proceed to the second decision. If z is less than 0, yes, it's gonna be or the system would print negative. And then if it's not, then so what will happen is the value of z will be neither positive or negative. Then everything will be routed to the end, and the end of the flowchart, and which is the stop. So basically, this is the output for my first activity. I have algorithm, pseudocode, and flowchart. I hope you were able to learn something today. Thanks.